It is the vision of the director that takes an ordinary movie and turns it into a work of art. These four men and Greta Gerwig created their own masterpieces this year.
Run faster! Go! Now collapse! Collapse on the ground! Collapse like a little closer! Come over and collapse a little bit closer! Collapse that way!
So I wrote the whole script and I kept finding this character and this idea of self-authorship, of giving yourself a new name was something that was really interesting to me. But the character itself, it wasn't until I heard Saoirse Ronan read the words that suddenly it felt like a third person was in the room with us, and it was Lady Bird.
Lady Bird, is that your given name?
Yeah.
Why is it in quotes?
I gave it to myself. It's given to me by me.
I definitely wanted to use, though, the setting of my childhood, Sacramento, because first of all, I don't think it has enough movies made about it. There's such a specific landscape to the agricultural valley of California, and the flatness and the openness and the colors, and I wanted my film to give you a sense of place even when you were indoors.
You write about Sacramento so affectionately and with such care.
I guess I pay attention.
You'd be hard-pressed to find a 17-year-old who says, you know what, my hometown is awesome, and my family, also awesome. I think so much of being 17 is defining yourself against who you are and where you're from.
I hate California. I want to go to the East Coast. I want to go where culture is.
I feel like I created in the character of Lady Bird this deeply flawed, very human heroine who I admired.
The only person who should speak for Lady Bird is Greta Gerwig.
I want to say thank you to my mom and dad and the people of Sacramento who gave me roots and wings and helped me to get where I am today. And just thank you, thank you, thank you.
And cut.